I am a director in Clean Learning, which is a training company, and Training Attention, which is the application of clean language in business. So I'm a director in both those companies, and I used to spend my time traveling around the world training clean language and systemic modeling, or running projects. And now I spend a lot of my time on Zoom running projects or teaching people how to do systemic modeling. So I'm going to be looking at how coaches can use naturally occurring metaphors in their clients' conversations and then develop them with clean questions. So that might be an embodied metaphor, like I'm feeling really stuck and held back, and to actually be able to utilize that stuck and held back and the body wisdom to develop a metaphor, but also conversational metaphors such as, I've got one area that I'd like to go in, but there are, I keep getting distracted. You go, oh, okay, that's interesting. There's something visual in a visual field. How do I use clean questions to pick up those metaphors and develop them into something that then can co-coach with me? So actually you utilize the metaphors so that they feed back information to your clients. What we'll probably do is I'll explain the process, but I think it's going to be a very experiential workshop. So what we'll do is I'll find a way of maybe bringing it down, not for the whole gamut of questions, but maybe down a couple of good, strong, clean questions. We'll do a little demo and then get the coaches practicing straight away. So it's a tool that they'll be able to take away with them. I was really looking forward to it being a local conference. I think online coaching conferences, I think what I'm interested in is how's everyone doing? What are the new skills that we're developing? What are the amazing networks that we've got going now? What can we do now that we could never do before? How are we responding in the moment? And then are there areas in coaching that we need to help take care of each other? We are a community, even though we're not a formal community, we're a community of practice. Are there ways that we really need to take care of each other over the next year or so as we ride this pandemic and work out how the world's going to be?